make it better based
Yeah.
on the knowledge that I learned from you, Prof.
Okay, maybe a quick explanation lah on the Lean Canvas. Yeah. So while I'm explaining, maybe you can ponder lah what they have been working on here, right? So it's also part of the business model, but it is more explaining the framework. That framework help you, to develop a clear and concise plan for whatever business you wish to work on. Yeah. So
Mhm.
to me, when we studied this in first time, in Stanford, we see we are all a very micro enterprise. Yeah. So this one fit for people like us. Yeah. Importantly, it's very useful for small business, for a startup, and even for social enterprise, because you need to be nimble and also responsible. Yeah. So you are responsive to the changing market conditions. So macam BMC is kind of like staggered. Yeah. But here you can also leapfrog. Yeah. So how do they do that? You have to explore how those framework can be used by women who sell artisan product, for example, to develop successful and sustainable business. So the first step is actually to identify the problem. Yeah. So that is common here. Yeah. Identify the problem, and then mention for women who sell artisan product, the problem is often the lack of access to the market and customer. Now, this is just my perspective lah. Okay, you can throw maybe other ideas. So this can be particularly challenging for women who live in rural areas or who do not have access to digital platform. Yeah, and then by selling this artisan product, women can create a sustainable source of income and support their family. Okay, the second step is to identify the target market for your business. So that include the understanding, okay, the needs and the preferences of your customers, as well as their purchasing habit. Yeah, so for those women who sell the artisan product, the target market is often the individual who appreciate handmade. People like me, maybe if I will be one of your target market if because I love this artisan product, because that product appear to be a unique product, and maybe to those who are interested in supporting local community and sustainable development. Okay, the third step is to identify your unique value proposition. So this is what sets your business apart from your competitors. So what make you outstanding, and what make is attractive to customers. Yeah, so for women who sell artisan product, the unique value proposition is often the quality and uniqueness of their product, as well as the social impact that their business has on local communities. Yeah. And then the fourth one is to identify the key channel. Yeah, so here the key channels so that you will reach your target market. So maybe this include the both traditional and digital channel. Yeah, digital channel can help maybe the market, the craft fairs, social media platform, e-commerce website. So by using all this combination of channel, women can reach a wider audience and increase their sales revenue. Okay. The fifth step is to identify the key resources and partners. Okay, key resources and partners is all about you include I mentioned just now material, tools, equipment, yeah, what you need to create your product, as well as any marketing, distribution, or logistic partners that can help to scale your business. And then we have also the key activities. And what would you need to perform your business? Yeah, maybe you need product development, you need marketing, sales, customer service, yeah, and then maybe if you are focusing on all these key activities, women can ensure their business operate efficiently and effectively because you have all the resources. And then what about the key metrics that you will use to measure? And there could be a key metrics here, yeah, that you use to measure the success of your business. So macam mana kita nak mengira keupayaan dan kejayaan kita punya perniagaan, ya. So maknanya kita akan bergantung kepada jualan, sales revenue, profit, margin, customer retention rate, social impact metrics. So all these metrics, yeah, you will help those women to identify area for improvement, yeah, and then make a sort of like data driven decisions to grow the business, yeah, because we are acting like as if we are doing a business. Have all these some good aspect, yeah, I think I know you familiar. but elaboration in terms of putting those, you can have a summary of little things here, but in the report you have to explain like what I have shared just now. So maybe you can put some good conclusion. The Lean Canvas framework is a valuable tool for women who sell artisan product to develop a successful and sustainable business. What else? By identifying the problem that the business solves, the target market, the unique value proposition, the key channel resources, the partners, what else? The key activities and the key metric, women can create a clear and concise plan for their business that is both scalable and responsive to changing market conditions. So by leveraging the power of artisan product and social entrepreneurship, women can create positive social change and build more inclusive and sustainable communities. Full mark. Okay. So I punya my brain ni pun kan, bila you bercerita, I punya brain pun keeps on like doing a chat GPT. You know?
Yeah.
Because I have to be versatile and robust macam tu supaya I faham what exactly my students are working on, and then nanti senang bila I nak grade kemudian, insyaAllah will be much more easier. Okay, so planning market ni rasa financial ni I think tak ada masalah. It's a common thing lah for every business. Okay, SDG you think lah, whichever that is creating a connection to your aim. Banyak sebenarnya. You have a quality education, you have SDG 4, SDG 8 on employment opportunity. Maybe ada one or two more. If you are connecting using the social media, you are actually bridging the technology knowledge to this women. So you are giving access to another opportunity, but your effort too can create another innovation, social innovation perspective. So macam-macam lah.
Alright.
So yes, anything else you want to ask?
Tak ada, Prof. The only challenge is time.